My name is Christina from Solidware. I will introduce our solution, which is DaVinci Labs. DaVinci Labs is the automatic machine learning solution. So DaVinci Labs has been creating practice value for a global insurance company, especially auto insurance underwriting model project with AXA was very special. Spain, Poland, France, and South Korea did same project, and only Korea could succeed with the DaVinci Labs. In the case of the Korea, if you loss ratio reduce 1%, you could get thank you. You could get additional profit about $6 million US. In AXA case, they decreased by the 7% age of the loss ratio is adapting our solution. Could you guess how much have they earned? So other reference is Sony Sompo. Sony Sompo created a targeting model for marketing events using our solution. A result of the actual response rate was about 33%, higher than the deep learning model developed by Sony Electric. As you see, machine learning is so powerful. However, machine learning techniques require the three skills, which is computer science and statistical knowledge and the domain knowledge. Is there anyone in the world who has the other three? Actually, it's no. He is the famous AR expert. His name is Andrew Ng, and he's a professor in the Stanford University. He said AR organization is useless. Make a whole company into AR organization. How do you make the whole company into the AI? Meanwhile, it is difficult to hire the data scientists in the right now. So we made it. Our solution is easy and simple to use just by the few clicks of the mouse, which is automated machine learning. This called DaVinci Labs. In the past, companies had to rely heavily on the experts to create the model through the coding language, workbench, and statistical solution. After adapting our solution, relative people with just the domain knowledge were able to create the deep learning models. So this is our demo. I will show you how to use our solution. The first is DaVinci Labs is simply used by a few clicks. You can get a higher performance model, upload the data, and select the target variable you wanted to predict, and press the long button. It is automated higher performance modeling is come out. You can even download the model as a Java library with a single click. You can easily update the single line of code your legacy systems. Can you see? Yeah, here. The second is commonly people knows that get the same result when they use the same data and the same algorithm during the machine learning. In fact, that is not is true. The DaVinci Labs, we get the incomparably much better result with the same data. If you select the target variable, the solution automatically handles the missing variable, aligner, and the normalization process. So it changed the data to be more optimized for machine learning. So auto feature engineering functions combine input variables and then create the new derived variables. Eventually, if you use the same data, DaVinci Labs can turn into much more higher quality. Oh, no, sorry. Doesn't come up really fast. So yeah, this is yes. You can use the target, so you can see that all the variables just come out. See, eyeliners and then clustering everything. So eventually, if you use the same data, DaVinci Labs is turning into the much more high quality data. WTLS algorithms developed by ourselves from the structure level. We have expertise in the particular algorithm, and then we have turned the old algorithm to the fit in the finance field. If it is much more stable than the more normal algorithm, there is also auto-turning function that automatically process the hyperparameter tunings. So even if you use the same data, you can create the much powerful models. This is my third one. The third one is only DaVinci-less have it. I can prove it. So finally, DaVinci-less has the number of the patent features. And today, our interest are one of the features. The auto-clustering features of DaVinci-less automatically find the cluster that show the common patterns in the data. Using this feature, you can find the customer groups with the extremely high or lower loss ratio. Skip. So DaVinci-less has the more creative market values of global insurance companies and saving and commercial bank, capital companies, as well as credit card companies. There is a great improvements in their business through the enhancement, predictive machine learning models, resulting in the prediction accuracy enhancement by the 10 to even 50%. So this is our. So if you have any question and if you want to know about solution, please come visit. And then thank you. I have only 8 seconds. Thank you.